Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kijat ben reo harijan, ki basong basa apo them yo molong shilong, henne kasngi ka arpo trik ujeliu, kilami nalai ki yeng kisam ban persha ek jingwan jurep, bat ban thau ban wo yakani ka jaka them yo molong, dakat nat land records and survey, ka balong kat kum ka jing ptha, jong ka high level committee, ka balathong da ka sarkar jilla, khandiat teo menchua. Komban chikadaw hangne ka sarkar jilla ka lathongi ka high level committee, hadin balami ka jing dawa ka bajar na ki pajba, nong snong ka sor shilong ban pen kriya no ikijai ban reo harijan na them yo molong wat hapadeng ka jing ther uslak kijai ban reo harijan ki balara rengkat ki plakat hakani ka sngi ki lakranting khmat ki officer jong katnat land records and survey bakin jai peteng ban shong ban hakani ka jaka wat la kalong kumnu ru hakani ka jing sor jamin jong ki nong trai katnat land records and survey lai don lang ru ki nong trai jong shillong municipal board bat ki menteri na ka office jong usiem ka hima menlin halor ka jingmi khubor pat na kinong ilam jong kisik na bar jala ki badawa na sarkar jala bakamdai dalile ru ban pen karya igi harijan na them yo molong henne ka sngi ka Patisi TV ha ka je kren bar menteri rang ba ka jala u konrat ke sangma ulapan pa ba yamanta ampat la ban ong ai na mar ba ka sarkar kalathong ya ka high level committee ban pet ya kan ka kam bar ulong ba ka sarkar kadang ap ya ka kaifan ban sa IT da kan ka committee shushu menteri rang ba ulapan pa ba ka thong jong ka sarkar kalong ban manra ya ka jingye pen ben ka banne serta pad haswa ban shem ya kanu karai ka sarkar ka sakhod ikran ru ya baro halot kini ki issue
Clear that we are going to get all the facts and figures correct first, and that is why the high-powered committee under the chairmanship of Deputy Chief Minister has been going into details of all the records. That is why I think even we are going and surveying the locations. So the homework is on, and it's being done in a very swift manner, and things that have not been done in the past also are being done. So I think it will be inappropriate for me to say anything before the committee submits its reports and does its homework. But the commitment of the government and the action is being seen. There are a lot of work that is going on behind it. As we said, we need to realize that this is a problem that was there for the past 20-30 years. And definitely there is a lot of claims and counter-claims in this issue. And that is where the complication comes in. But as I said, we are firm to ensure that we find a permanent solution to this issue. Because it's an issue that has been pending for too long. And I think it is time that we found a solution to it. And that's why government is working on it. And once the report comes in, we'll take it forward. And let me assure you that we will speak to all the groups. That's something that we want to do. We want to consult everybody. We'll hear everybody out. We'll ensure that all the stakeholders are consulted before we take a decision. But as to the exact way it's going to move forward, as I said, it will be inappropriate for me to say anything without the committee having done its homework and completing all the reports. You see, the governments, the autonomous bodies that are there, whether it's Jayantee Hills Autonomous Council, Garo Hills, Khasi Hills Autonomous Council, the word autonomy is given to them. So therefore, the government and the CEM and the EC and the MDCs who are elected, they will decide on what kind of a combination to be had. They will decide on who should be CEM. So it's a decision that's taken very much at the council level and the autonomy they've been given. So therefore, last time also UDP had formed with Congress and work continues as usual. The MDCs felt that there needs to be change and that's what they're going for. So it's nothing that we are interfering with or we want to comment on. Well, it's something that obviously, if you look at it from a political point of view, you would say that. But as I said, these things happen. These things are combinations that are taking place. There was a combination of BJP and Congress in the council, in Chakma Council in Mizoram that took place. So in some situations where the MDCs, elected MDCs, take a call, I think it's up to them, and we want to ensure that there is stability, and what is important to us to ensure that the respective governments perform and the development that is meant to reach to the people should reach. So that is our concern on who forms and how they form is a decision that's taken by the MDC.